welcome back to my channel Shriya Hood. So today's video is going to be Would You Rather challenge on my channel. Yes, I'm going to play Would You Rather game, and I love this game so much because I love those games in which two choices are given and you have to choose only one out of them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's play this game. Okay, so first Would You Rather is be the richest person in the world or have any superpower of your choice. So I would like to have any superpower of my choice, especially the ability to fly, because that's the only superpower I like so much, and and whenever I see birds flying I feel very jealous. Okay, so I would rather choose this second option, have any superpower of your choice. Okay, so 66% people agree with me. That's really very nice because yeah, it's obvious. Okay, so let's get to another options. Okay, so next is play real life Minecraft or play real life Mario Kart. Of course, play real life Minecraft. I love Minecraft so much, and maybe after exam I'm going to play that game. I like Minecraft so much, and I've played the trial of that game because I'm just a beginner. So I'll rather choose this because I love Minecraft. Okay, so 44 people agree with me, but I want to say that don't be afraid of zombies. Play at peaceful level if you want, if you don't want any zombies or any mobs in that game. Okay, so let's move to the third question. The third question is get any real world item you want in any video game. Okay, so for example, if we want a mirror in any video game from our real life, then we'll get that in any video game. And the second option is get any Minecraft item you want in the real world. Yeah, of course I'll choose the second option because in that case I'll get diamonds in real life. This is a kind of common sense question, because if you choose diamonds, then they will come from the Minecraft world to the real world. That's really very nice. So I'll obviously choose the second option. Okay. Only 44 people agree with me. What? Hey guys, don't you want diamonds in real life? Don't you want diamonds in real life? Okay, no problem then. Okay, so maybe fourth question, right? So let's move on to fourth question. And it is first option, take a trip to the depths of the ocean and discover new creatures. And the second option is take a trip through the cosmos and see the entire universe. Yes, I'll choose the second option, obviously, because I'm very fond of space, universe. I like to know more about space. I want to buy a telescope and see all of those stars, as many stars as I can. Okay, so yes, of course I'll click on the second option. Oh yes, 67 people agree with, 67% people agree with me. So yeah, that's really nice because of course you can go in the ocean and discover creatures, but you cannot easily go in the space. It's almost, in fact, impossible, right, for us. Yes. So of course I think you should choose this second option like me. Okay, so fifth question is be able to stop time or be able to fly. Be able to fly because I don't want to stop time because I love following the rules of nature. So yes, I'm not interested in stopping time at all, but I'm interested in flying. That's also a rule of nature that human beings can't fly, but then also it's my wish. It's my superpower wish, wish of superpowers. And yeah, let me know in the comment section which is your wish related to any superpower. Whether you want to be invisible, whether you want to teleport in different places. Let me know, okay? So yeah, first let me choose the second option. Be able to fly, of course, like birds, in between birds. So let me see how many people. Only 47 people agree with me. Are you serious? Don't you want to fly in sky? That's one of the biggest wishes of people, to fly. Yes. And you want to stop time, but why? Okay, especially students, because they want to learn everything on time. Before exams, they need more time. But I think for that you should start learning from the starting of the section. Okay, let's come to our topic. So the seventh question, right? Seventh question is, would you rather live in a good neighborhood that is far from work? What do you mean by work? Okay, far from work, your work, okay. Live in a bad neighborhood that is close to work. Actually the thing is, good vibes and good environment is a better thing. So I'd rather choose to live in a good neighborhood that is far from work. It would not bother me to go to work which is very far away from where I live. So I'll choose the first option. Yes, 85 people agree with me. Yes, 85% people. I always forget to say that percent. 85% people agree with me. Of course, there are millions of people who have played this game, would you rather? And yeah, 85% people. Yes, I wanted this, finally. Okay, so the eighth question is, jump into a pool of lava and jump into a pool of freezing water. Again, this is a common sense question, so I'd rather choose jump in a pool of freezing water, and I'll wear warm clothes and then I'll jump into a pool of freezing water and I'll not freeze. Yes, this is a question of common sense. Some of these would you rather questions are of common sense and you need to apply that. So yes, jump in a pool of freezing water. Yes, 92% people agree with me because 92% people have common sense. Yes! Yes, I did it. Okay. Okay, so 8th question. Would you rather live in a world where you rule? That would be awesome. Or live in a world with no problems? Live in a world with no problems, of course, because you are not ruling the world and it's very difficult to rule a world, because the world is very big, huge, large. So it's a very difficult job to rule a world and you'll have so many problems. In fact, even if you are ruling that world according to your choices, according to your personality also matters, right? But if you will choose to live in a world with no problems, then of course you will have no problems. But while ruling a world, you will have so many problems. So I would rather choose second option, live in a world with no problems. Okay, 74 people agree, 74% people agree with me, and yeah, I like this kind of response. Live in a world with no problems. There are no problems at all. Yes, so satisfying. Okay, so 9th question is, would you rather be an unknown superhero, be a famous villain? I would rather choose to be an unknown superhero because I believe so much in good deeds. I have a very strong belief in good deeds, So I don't want to do any bad deed by being a famous villain, because villain is villain, of course. So I would rather be an unknown superhero. At least I am a superhero. Okay, so yes, 66 people agree with me. Of course, I like this kind of response, guys. I feel like people are supporting my opinion. People are with me, Okay, so the next, 10th question is, would you rather be in a famous movie, be on a popular TV show? Be in a famous movie, because I've always, I've wanted to be a movie star, and that's why I'm making YouTube videos right now. Okay, that sounds funny, but I would rather choose to be in a famous movie. Of course, why not? That was a positive would you rather. Okay, 59% people agree with me That's really very nice. Okay, so 11th question is, be able to talk to animals, be able to speak all foreign languages. Yes, the similar kind of question I've posted in my community, the same kind of question, you know, that was also would you rather. I usually post would you rather questions in my community every week, but this time I'm not able to, you know, post that much because my exams are very near. I don't get time, sorry, but I was shocked to see the response that people are choosing be able to speak all foreign languages. But that's not important. I think be able to talk to animals is much more crazier and much more nice. You know, it sounds very good. So I'd rather choose first option. I was really shocked to see the opinion of different people. Okay, so here 56% people agree with me. That's really nice. So guys, next question. I am saying next question because I no longer you know, remember that number, so it would be displayed here. Okay, would you rather be a superhero, be a famous singer? Be a famous singer, yeah. Here I would rather choose be a famous singer because I love singing, and on my channel I have posted one video in which I am playing piano and I am singing How Far I'll Go song. So yes, I love singing, and I'd rather choose the second option, be a famous singer. Only 36% people agree with me. Are you serious? I mean that singing, nowadays people are not liking singing, right? So many people are singing nowadays, but then also here I can see the result, the real personality of people. Okay, no problem, everyone has different choices, so I don't want to disrespect any choice. Okay, so 36% people agree with me. That's all right. So next question is, would you rather be immune to aging or have a normal lifespan while being invincible? I'd rather choose the second option because having a normal lifespan is a very normal thing and good thing. I don't want to be immune to aging. I just want to be natural. That's it. Okay, and yeah, I always want to win. Okay, so yes, I would rather choose the second option. Okay, 69 people agree with me. That's a really very good response. So next question is, would you rather live in darkness for the rest of your life or live in sunlight for the rest of your life? So I'd rather choose second option, of course. I would not be able to live in darkness, you know, because that's a very difficult job to live in the darkness for the rest of your life, and living in sunlight is much better than that. Okay, so I would rather choose the second option. Yes, 77% people agree with me. That's really very nice. I like that. Okay, of course, this was very easy question and very you know, common sense kind of question. Okay, so guys, this is the last question of today's video, and it is, would you rather only eat bread and water for the rest of your life? Oh no. Or never use the internet again? I would rather choose never use the internet again. I can't eat only bread and water for the rest of my life. It's a very difficult job for me. And of course, you'll start puking one day, you know, if you'll only eat bread and water. That's and then life would become very difficult, really very difficult. And I want to taste everything. I want to taste the maximum foods in world. That's one of my dreams. Yes, so I'd rather never choose the internet again. Okay, so only 42% people agree with me. I am shocked to see that people are so obsessed with this internet. People are so obsessed with internet. Why? That's not a good thing, you know. But okay, anyways. So yes guys, this was the last question of today's video, and now I'm going to do the outro. So yes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, then please give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, also one more thing I want to say, that please read that description box every time I upload videos, because I sometimes write in description box below. And yeah, like, subscribe and share. See you later guys. Bye.